Saint found a place to lay down, and now he's sound asleep snoring.
Artificial bones outside the homes of the White House Chief of Staff in D.C. and Moderna's CEO's home in Cambridge, Massachusetts.
He's a happy camper.
And the Biden administration do their part to ensure equal access to vaccines globally. A Pfizer spokeswoman telling us the Rockland-based company is firmly committed to working towards
Hear him snoring.